All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is finally here after years of waiting and asking and begging. Nintendo's finally given us the Nintendo Switch Pro. And today we're going to be unboxing. That's not the Switch Pro.
It's not?
No.
Well,
That's the Switch OLED.
what's the Switch Pro?
There is no Switch Pro. Okay, bye.
Well, what?
Alright, so as other probably poorly edited me mentioned, there's no Switch Pro. This is the Switch OLED, so sorry to burst your bubble, but yeah. But we're still gonna look at it, because it's brand new, and I just spent $350 on one, so I'm gonna get some content out of it. So this is the OLED model. They actually list pretty much all the changes on the box here. It's a 7-inch OLED screen, 64 gigs of system memory, got a dock with a LAN port, and an adjustable stand. I am most interested in the screen and the stand. So instead of keeping everyone waiting, let's just pop this open. Alrighty. And okay, so we're gonna start with the Joy-Cons first because I'm actually kind of excited about these. They are the same Joy-Cons that you've gotten with every Switch since 2016, so they're going to drift at some point, so just prepare yourself for that. They're white now. Look at that, white now. I don't have to skin them, and I think they kind of look a little better, you know? Like it's kind of, I mean, aside from the fact that I poorly put the skin on, but like, look at that. So this is the new one. This is my skinned one on the right here. I don't know, it just looks a little better. So we're gonna go to the bottom of the box next. We've got our power adapter here. I believe it's the same one in the other Switch. Our HDMI cable. Now I have seen some chatter online that this Switch is 4K ready and future-proof, but it does not support 4K out the dock, which kind of sucks, but you know, it's future-proof, I think. We've got our grip for the Joy-Cons. It's pretty much the same as the other one. And then last but not least, we have the dock. Ooh, I like that. So the dock's a little different. There's no more door. It just kind of pops off, which I don't know how I'm gonna like that, but it, you know, it is what it is. And then on the inside of the dock, if I can show it right here, we have an Ethernet port right here. We have our HDMI and then our power in. So we did lose our USB-C port, but I'm sure some people aren't gonna mind that. We do still have the two USBs on the other side of it, and then this just clips back in. And now for the Switch itself. Oh, there's some paperwork in here. Do I care about the paperwork? Is there anything like we don't? No. Here's the Switch OLED. Wow, that screen's actually pretty big. Look at that. Look at that big screen. That's awesome. And then the kickstand, oh, it goes all the way back. So it goes like that, and it goes all the way down to like that. That's awesome. That is the single worst part of the original Switch, and they finally fixed it. It only took them 5 years to do it. So your buttons look a little different. They're a little more elongated, but other than that, like everything's still where it was initially. Ooh. I don't think this is on, it's not. So on the bottom of the new Switch, there's these little rubber feet. So that way it doesn't slide as easily on a table. Like it still slides, but it doesn't slide as easy. So I guess the next thing to do is to snap the Joy-Cons on and power it up for the first time. Oh wow, that's awesome. It's like true black actually. Like look at that. The power of OLED. All right, I'm gonna, wow. That bigger screen actually makes a difference. This thing is awesome. The screen is such an impressive difference. So let's actually get my current Switch, crank the brightness to max just to get a good comparison here. Is the difference in screen brightness? No, it's actually not really. It's actually like not visible, but that screen difference is visible. Look at that. So this is the old Switch, this is the new one. So yeah, the four differences really with this are there's more storage, the screen is bigger and better, the kickstand is like actually usable now, and the dock has wired networking. So if you're into Ethernet, you might want to grab the new dock. I don't know if it works with the old one. I mean, like, it fits and it works, but I don't know if the old one will take the wired Ethernet. It should, but I'm not entirely certain. So it's not that major of an update, but it is very noticeable. It's the same Switch, like the same internals, except for the storage at least, but the screen, I'm gonna say the screen's worth the extra 50 bucks. I'm gonna be completely honest and upfront right now. Like, I haven't used this yet. This is just unboxing, first impressions, but the screen's worth the extra 50 bucks. So yeah, that's my unboxing of it. I'm gonna throw it in the dock, get it charged up, start playing some games on it, and we'll come back and review it a little bit later. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe. Let me know what Switch you have. Do you have the original Switch, the version 2, or the Switch Lite, or do you have an OLED Switch? Let me know and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.